Check the name of each part of the product. First, put a gunny sack on the chestnut stripper's outlet, put the plug in, and turn on the power switch. Put 1 to 1.2 kilograms of chestnuts in the slot. When shells are stripped within 30 to 50 seconds, the alarm will go off. Lift the grip to take out the stripped chestnuts. When stripped chestnuts come out, close the outlet and turn off the power switch. Do not forget. After turning on the power switch, put chestnuts into the machine. Please be sure to check the notice. Do not put foreign substances into the slot. Do not put your hand into the outlet. Do not spray water on the machine. It can cause engine problems. When you clean and disassemble the machine, do not forget to unplug. Clean the rotary plate with a fine textured cloth. Do not use a scrubbing brush or a knife. Take care not to break the fixed bolt when separating the rotary plate and tighten it completely when assembling it again. Otherwise, it can cause an accident as the rotary plate can drop out. When touching the blade, take care not to get injured. The damage caused by the user cannot be covered by our after-sales service.